This is the Commodore. It's a 4-berth caravan, well suited to both families and couples. It's got a transverse fixed bed to the rear, and there's the option to create an ensuite or family bathroom. The Commodore's lounge is truly luxurious, and you have the option to upgrade to leather upholstery, as we see here. In the evenings, should you require the extra space, this converts into a spacious double bed. As well as being to a high specification, the kitchen is finished off beautifully. You've got this two-tone brushed edging here, a fantastically large sink, and an abundance of storage. You can keep all the things you need close at hand. Aldi underfloor heating comes as standard across the Buccaneer range, and it's a fantastic addition if you're touring throughout the year. Imagine being all toasty in bed on a winter's morning and getting out and being warm underfoot. That's the beauty of it. You can tour all year round. This is a really chic design and it makes the most of the space. Just check out the curves here.
New for the 2022 season is the locker design, which includes new locker door handles. I'm truly impressed with the storage. The leather headboard follows the look seen in the lounge, with a stylish design adding extra comfort.
This is a really versatile layout, providing plenty of privacy whether you're staying in the bedroom or in the front of the caravan. It makes up a really neat ensuite.
By creating the ensuite really makes the washroom feel more spacious. For me, the Commodore, like the other models in the Buccaneer range, has been well thought out and designed with luxury and style, and maintaining plenty of space with an abundance of storage.
You're only the best.